Good day everyone, I am Jermel Borday from BSN Mathematics 1A. So in this video, I am going to discuss and tells you about what is reference angle. Reference angle, the acute angle between the terminal arm or terminal side and the x-axis. The reference angle is always positive. In other words, the reference angle is an angle being sandwiched by the terminal side and the axis and the x-axis. It must be less than 90 degrees and always positive. A good thing to note before we move on is that when you are on the positive x-axis, the angle is 0 degree or 360 degree, which is also known as 2 over pi, 2 pi radians. When you get to the positive y-axis, you will get 90 degree or fraction pi to 2 pi radians. The negative x-axis gets you to 180 degree or over pi radians. The negative x-axis gets you to 180 degree or pi radians. Lastly, the negative y-axis brings you to 270 degree or fraction 3 over pi or 2 times 23 pi radians. Knowing this, you can use them as shortcuts to help you determine around where a reference angle should be and if you are in the right range. Let's try out a few example questions on how to find reference angles. So question number 1. Reference angle, the acute angle between the terminal arm and the x-axis. Reference angle is always positive. Determine the reference angle of 130 degree. Solution. We want to determine the reference angle of 130 degree angle. First, we draw the standard angle of 130 degrees on the xy plane. Starting from the x-axis of 0, we turn the terminal arm to the positive direction since we are dealing with a positive angle. We stop at 130 degree and get the standard angle. From the graph, we know that the angle lands on the second quadrant or quadrant 2. Now we can determine the reference angle based on the definition of a reference angle. We can determine that the reference angle is 50 degree. So that's all for today's video. So hope that you learned something. So thank you for listening.